You're on.
Go.
Alright, so this is Nate with the Nate Mechanics and Automotive, and I had a turn signal die on me on my 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I went to YouTube and there's no videos on the 2012, 2011, but it's totally different to change a signal on a 2012. So what you do is you obviously open the hood of the car, and what you want is, see it, Luke, the video here? You want to get that thing out. Now there's nothing, I brought out my screwdriver, as you can see, but you see my screwdriver. But I don't even need this. All you do is you take your hand and reach down where this is, and yeah, Luke, come on in. And you just grab the light bulb, the outside of the light bulb, and it's right here, and you just counterclockwise, got it? Counterclockwise, twist, counterclockwise. It's a little difficult, but my 8-year-old son could do it. So you pull it out, keep the video right there, Luke. And then you have this thing. And then again, you just grab it and you pull this out, like that. And there's the dead one. And then you go to AutoZone and pick up, they come in packages of 2 for like $5. And you get this thing and you just push it in until it clicks. Sometimes you have to twist it the other way. Here it is, that click there. You do the exact opposite of what you did to pull it out. You just push it in, and you this time clockwise you turn it so it clicks in. And then you test it, which I'll do right now. See if that was all that we had to do. You're ready to get the keys. Hold that steady, Luke. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to test it. Alright, this has been Nate at Nate Mechanics Automotive 2012 Grand Caravan, changing a turn signal.
Bye-bye.
Bye.